Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Today in this video we are gonna talk about the job role of subject matter expert. There will be 5 job openings for this role and the job role is available for work from home and work from office both. So let's jump into the video and talk about our first job role. Our first job is from the company Digituala. Role is subject matter expert and the location is remote, that is work from home. We are hiring SMEs for advanced subjects including accounting, chemical engineering, electrical engineering, statistics, probability. Qualifications required are graduation or post-graduation in the chosen subjects. Timings are flexible working hours and it's a work from home. If you are eligible to apply, click on the easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Second job is from the company Hazzten. Role is subject matter expert and the location is remote, that is work from home. Subject is mechanical engineering and statistics. Salary will be 20k to 35k per month. Working hours are flexible. Qualifications required are at least graduation in your respective subject. Final year students of BTech, PSC can apply as well. Those who are pursuing MTech, MSc in first year may also apply. Good and clear knowledge of concepts, time management skills can join immediately if selected. If you are eligible to apply, click on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. And also copy this form from here and then open it in the Google and here is the application form. Fill this application form also. After filling the form, click on the submit button and submit it. Third job is from the company Digituala Technology Private Limited. Location is New Delhi, India. Role is social science teacher. Qualifications required for this role are candidates must hold a post-graduation in degree in social science or a bachelor's degree with honors in social science. If you are eligible to apply, click on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Fourth job is from the company GoAskNow Technology Private Limited. Role is subject matter expert, physics, freelance, remote. Educational qualifications required are post-graduation in physics. Skills required are excellent communication skills, verbal and written. Extensive knowledge of the subject, must be able to adhere to a timeline. Interested candidates can send their resume to hr@goasknow.com. So if you are eligible to apply, share your resume at this email ID hr@goasknow.com and click on the easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Here comes our last job for today. It's from the company TechCurators. Role is subject matter intern and location is Delhi, India. Eligibility criteria for this role is second, third and fourth year students pursuing BE or BTech in computer science, IT, electronics and telecommunication can apply. Proficiency in MS Excel and Word. Ability to understand and explore new technologies and programming skills with the help of research and a creative mindset. Proofreading skill sets will be an added advantage. Good at problem solving and data analysis. Strong attention to detail, ability to prioritize and manage multiple projects. Experience of working as a SME is an added advantage. This is a hybrid internship, 4 days work from office, 2 days work from home. Flexible working hours 6 to 7 hours. Stipend is 5 to 8k based on performance. A certificate of internship completion will be issued after the internship is over. LOR based on individual performance. Pre-placement offer will be based on the student's overall performance at the end of the internship. If you are eligible to apply, share your resume at this email ID strategy@techcurators.in and also click on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. So these are 5 job openings for today. Now let's jump into the bonus job opening. It's from the company Tuetal. Role is physics specialist and the location is remote, that is work from home. One should have adequate knowledge for subjects like physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology up to graduation level. Strong communication, problem solving skills with a strong understanding of concepts and principles about the subjects. Should be having a good pen tab and a collar microphone. Knowledge on how to use screen recording software and light video editing is preferred. Ability to work individually and in a team environment. Ability to meet deadlines. Stipend is we provide competitive pay after successful clearing the demo test and a one-on-one interview. One can expect 20 to 25 INR per approved video solution. If you are eligible to apply, click on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Second job is from the company Chegg, India. Role is subject matter expert economics. Location is Andhra Pradesh, India. Qualifications required are MCom Economics Specialization, MA Economics, MA Econometric. Freshers or faculty 0 to 3 years of experience. Anyone with strong subject knowledge can apply. Advanced knowledge in economics would be an added advantage. Screening pattern is given: online test, then behavioral and technical interview, then HR discussion. If you are eligible to apply, click on this apply button. Then this application form of Chegg will open. Click here on apply button and then click on apply manually. If you are already having the account of Workday, then log in into your account, and if you don't have, then create your account first and then log in and submit your application. You can find the link in the description for all the job openings. All the best and comment your educational qualification with the job role you are looking for. If video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को like कीजिए, share it with your friends, and for more latest job updates चैनल को subscribe कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.